In this video, I am going to show you how to backup WordPress website in Hostinger. So let's get started. To do this, at first we need to log into Hostinger panel. Go to hostinger.com and then from the top just click on login. Now here you need to enter your Hostinger username and password and then click on login. Now to backup your WordPress website, from the top just click on websites. And next to your website you will see a manage button. Just click on it and all the settings for your website will open up. After that, from the left menu just click on files and then click on backups. Here it will show you multiple backup options. If you want to completely restore your WordPress website from the backup, then you can go with the first option. And if you want to restore the files backups of your WordPress website, then you can go with the second option. And if you want to backup the database of your WordPress website, then you can go with the third option. But if you want to create a new backup for your WordPress website, then here you will see generate new backup section and under it you will see a select button. Just click on it. Here it will show you a warning that you can only generate one backup within 24 hours. So if you have already created the backup of your WordPress website within the last 24 hours, then you cannot generate a new backup. To generate the new backup of your WordPress website, just click on proceed and it will start taking the backup of your WordPress website. And later on you can use that backup to restore your WordPress website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.